required quorum is present, so we will start the proceedings of the meeting in next 1 minute. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sandeep More, the appointed moderator for today's annual general meeting of RULKA Electricals Limited, being conducted through video conferencing. On behalf of the company and Bixture Services Private Limited, I extend a warm welcome to all the participants present today. With this, I now hand over the proceedings to the company person of the meeting.
Thank you, sir. Can we start?
Yes, madam, please proceed.
Good afternoon, all of you. I am Kejal Shah, the Company Secretary of RULKA Electricals Limited, joining from Mumbai. I would like to welcome you all to the 12th Annual General Meeting of RULKA Electrical Limited, which is being held through video conference or other audiovisual means. Before we start with the proceeding of the AGM, I would like to take you through certain points regarding the process to participate at the meeting through video conference or other audiovisual means. The facility to join this AGM through video conference or other audiovisual means has been made available for members on the first come, first serve basis. The members who have joined this meeting by default are kept on mute mode to avoid any disturbance arising from the background noise and enjoy the smooth and seamless conduct of this meeting. There are some speaker shareholders registered with the company, which we will take up later part of the meeting. Apart from that, if any shareholder would like to ask question, please write the same in your chat box and it will be answered in the question answer session. During the AGM, if a shareholder faces any technical issue, he or she can contact the helpline number as mentioned in the notice. We have Mr. Rupesh Lakshman Kasavkar, Chairman and the Managing Director of our company with us. With this, I would request the Chairman, sir, to take over and conduct the proceedings of the AGM. Thank you.
Thank you, Kejal. Good afternoon, all. Dear value shareholders, at the outset, I welcome all of you shareholders who are present through video conferencing or other audio-visual means at this AGM of your company. This meeting is conducting is compliance with the directions given by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and the Securities and the Exchange Board of India. Now I request all of the directors, including myself, who will be present at the meeting through video conference and other audio-visual means to introduce themselves. I am Rupesh Lakshman Kasavkar, Managing Director, and joining this meeting from Mumbai. I welcome you all the members at the 12th Annual General Meeting of your company.
Thank you, sir. I would request now Ms. Tejasvi Jogal. She is the chairperson of Audit Committee, Nomination and Remuneration Committee, and Stakeholder Relationship Committee of the company to introduce herself. Ma'am, you're on mute.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. I'm Stephen. I'm Tejasvi Jogal, Independent Director of the company. I'm joining 12th Annual General Meeting for the company through video conference from Thane.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Mr. Nitin Ahir to introduce himself.
Thank you, Kejal. I am Nitin Indra Kumar Ahir, whole-time director of the company, joining the 12th AGM of the company through video conferencing from my office.
Thank you, sir. Now may I request Mr. Milind Dumal, sir, to introduce himself.
Milind, unmute karo.
Sorry. Thank you, Ms. Kejan. Myself, Milind Dumal, I'm independent director of the company, joining 12th AGM of the company through video conferencing from my office in Thane.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Mr. Sandeep Sawan to introduce himself. Sir, first you need to unmute yourself.
Thank you, Kajal. This is Sandeep Sawan. I'm independent director. I'm joining from my office from Mumbai.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, all the board members. Dear members, I would now inform you apart from this, the board members we have Shri Azad Ashok Jinwal, Chief Financial Officer, CFO of the company, who is attending this 12th AGM through video conference from Mumbai. Shri Aman Lahoti, partner with his team from RK Jagetia and Company, the statutory auditor of our company, is also attending the 12th AGM through video conference. Ms. Purvashe Adarvayu, representative of sectoral auditor and scrutinizer, Shri Ashwin Shah, is attending the 12th AGM through video conference with his team. I welcome you all.
Now I request the company secretary to ascertain the quorum.
There are 12 members attending the meeting, including the member, representative, and body corporate. Since there is no physical attendance of the shareholders, the requirement for appointing the proxy is not applicable. Requisite registers are available for the inspection electronically on the receipt of request from the shareholder during this AGM. There being an adequate quorum, now I would like to request Chairman Sir to commence the proceeding of the meeting.
Thank you. As the requested quorum is present at the annual general meeting, I call the meeting in order. Since the notice of 12th annual general meeting and board report is already with you, I take it as a read. It is hereby informed that there is no qualification in the auditor's reports, hence it may be taken as a read. Thank you.
Now I request Mr. Nitin Ahir, sir, the whole-time director, to deliver a speech.
Yeah, thank you, Tejas.
Sir, you are on mute.
Thank you, Kejal. Dear esteemed shareholders, it's my distinct honor to address to you today and present the annual performance of RULKA Electricals Limited. This past fiscal year, 2025, has been a period of significant growth and strategic realignment for our company, setting a strong foundation for our future. Our financial result of FY 2025 reflects the story of robust top-line growth. Our total revenue surged to 79.47 crores. The growth was driven by strong performance across our key business segments, with electrical revenues increasing from 48.85 crores to 58.19 crores, and our firefighting division growing from 14.84 crores to 21.56 crores. While we grew in revenue growth, we also faced challenges that impacted our profitability. This decline in profitability can be attributed to several factors, including rising input cost, increased labor expenses, and strategic investment in our organization capacity and capacitive expansion. We expanded our workforce by 40% and established a new big office in Mumbai to strengthen our operations backbone and support our further growth ambition. A closer look to our last year's half-yearly H2 FY25 performance reveals the positive trend. The second half of FY25, our revenue was 49.78 crores and significant increase from 29.69 crores in the first half. Correspondingly, EBITDA in H2 FY25 was 2.64 crores and PAT was 1.32 crores, demonstrating a strong recovery and a positive trajectory as we moved into the new fiscal year. FY26, a year of securing major orders. The cornerstone of our strong revenue performance has been our success in securing a multitude of high value orders in total. We have announced new orders worth remarkably 150 plus crores in the fiscal year 2025. April 2025, we started the year strongly with securing orders totaling to 3.22 crores in electrical firefighting and solar installation projects across India, across Maharashtra and Karnataka. June 2025, we announced a massive influx of new orders worth 55.37 crores. Those projects span across various sectors, including warehousing in Bangalore, a residence project in Mumbai, and significant airport development projects in Lucknow and Mumbai. We continued our momentum with the confirmed new orders amounting to 16.34 crores for warehousing industrial projects and in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Also, we secured further orders totaling to 3.90 crores for warehousing and power distribution across Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Telangana. In July, we proudly announced new orders worth 34.23 crores with significant contracts for an airport project in Lucknow and warehousing projects in Bangalore. August, we announced the orders worth 1.58 crores, orders across warehousing sector. Another order was of 72 lakhs and for the warehousing sector as well. All these numbers are mentioned inclusive of GST. We are confident this year performance should rock solid and execution has been great by our team. Thanks for our REL team efforts to each and every one of us. We have managed to keep our depth steady with the growth in revenue in 2025-26. This impressive order book is a testimony of trust on the testament to the trust of our clients place in our capabilities and our growing reputation as a reliable MEP service provider across India. Our clients include some biggest retail marts, multinational warehousing companies, and airports in India. Looking ahead, our strategic roadmap focused on sustainable growth and value creation. Our 26 action plan is centered on four key pillars. First, cost optimization and efficiency. We have implemented streamlined procurement and process and leverage automation to improve our margins. We have procured CRM software for this. Second, expansion to renewable energy and smart infrastructure. We are actively pursuing opportunities in solar EPC and smart building technologies to align with the India's clean energy goals. We have already got one contract in power transmission space worth 3.9 crores and we expect similar orders in the sector significantly, specifically from Maharashtra state. Third, we are focused on optimizing our working capital and undertaking debt restructuring to improve liquidity and reinforce investors' confidence. Fourth, we aim to expand our presence in new states, deepen our relationship with both government and private sector clients. Remember, losses are not permanent. Growth is something drive us. We are confident that our focused approach, coupled with our experienced team and strong relationship, will enable us to achieve new heights in the coming year. We are committed to deliver excellence, innovation, and sustainability growth and sustainable growth for all our stakeholders. Thank you for your continued trust and support. Yeah, thanks. Yes, Kejal.
Thank you, sir. Now we'll take up questions. There is only one speaker shareholder registered with us. His name is Mr. Abhishek Yadav. So can you please ask your question?
I think he is not here. We cannot see him. Kejal, you could ask the question if you have.
Mr. Abhishek has not joined the meeting.
He has not joined. Okay, so he has mailed us the question. Okay, so his question was, are we sure of top line and bottom line growth for year 26 onwards, and how much we plan to grow annually? So we are quite confident of having 20% growth every year, and we are working on the same. We are working on the same pace with operational level margin of 8 to 9%. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Chairman sir.
Uh, as you all know, as per the Companies Act 2013, company has provided remote e-voting facilities to shareholders during 26 September to 29 September 2025 on all business items mentioned in the notice of AGM. Remote e-voting was completed on 29 September. For those shareholders who have not voted through remote e-voting facility during that period, the facility of e-voting is also provided at the meeting. Now I requested the company secretary to inform about the process of e-voting. Kejan.
Thank you, sir. As you all know, the company has tied up with Bigshare Services Private Limited to provide an electronic voting facility to the members of the company. As per the provisions of Companies Act 2013, read with its rules, the facility of e-voting is also provided at the meeting for those members who are yet yet to vote it. Members may visit the link for the e-voting page on the Bigshare and cast their vote while viewing the proceedings of the meeting. With your permission, the AGM is held through a video conference and the resolution is being considered are as follows. Ordinary business, adoption of audited standalone and consolidated financial statement for the financial year ended on 31st March 2025, along with the boards and auditors report. Second, reappointment of Mr. Nitin Ahir, who retires by rotation. As mentioned in the notice, the resolution are put to vote through remote e-voting and e-voting during the AGM. Shri Ashwin Shah, practicing company secretary, has been appointed as a scrutinizer to scrutinize the e-voting at the meeting and remote e-voting process in a fair and transparent manner. As earlier informed, authorized representative is also present at the meeting through video conference. Members, please note that the results of remote e-voting and e-voting shall be disseminated to the stock exchange, that is National Stock Exchange of India Limited, and the same will also be placed on the company's website and on the website of Bigshare Private Limited within the statutory time limits. Further, the e-voting process will continue for the next 15 minutes after the AGM and will be disabled thereafter by the Bigshare.
Okay.
Chairman, sir.
Thank you, Kejal. So this is since there is no other business, I request our company secretary to deliver the vote of thanks.
Dear shareholders, I conclude the meeting with my sincere thanks and your support and cooperation. I would also like to thank all our esteemed board members and also to my colleagues. Thank you very much. Stay home and stay safe.
Okay. Since there is no other business to transact, I declare the meeting as concluded. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your active participation.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.